So what did the bug tell the seeds? Yes, the seeds told the seeds, now start growing. The seeds do not start to grow. But did the seeds start growing? No, it was not growing because he's just put the seeds in the ground and he's expecting the seeds to grow very fast. And he told the seeds to grow fast. Now come to page number 15. Bug puts his head close to the ground and says loudly, now seeds start growing. He put his ears very close to the head, not the ears. They put the head down like this and told, now started shouting so loud and saying, start growing, start growing. Bug looked at the ground again. The seeds do not start to grow. Again he started looking at the ground. First he shouted and said, started to grow fast, but still did not grow fast. And again he was looking at the ground and saying, the seeds started, he said to himself, was talking to himself saying, the seeds are not growing. But Bug puts his head very close to the ground and shouts. Now first he put his head close to the ground and started saying loudly to grow. Now again what he did, he put his head again close to the ground and very close to the ground and shouts. Again he started shouting. Now seeds start growing. Very loud he said. Now seeds start growing. Bunny comes running up the path. So path means the way. He started running up the path. What is path? Way. He started running and coming close to the bug. What is all that noise? He asked. He hears the sound of this bug shouting and telling the seeds to grow. So the bunny started running and coming closer to the bug and asked, what is all this noise? My seeds are not growing. Now what is the trouble here for the bug? He told bunny, my seeds are not growing. Says bug. Bug said to bunny, my seeds are not growing. You are shouting too much. Now bunny told, you're shouting so badly, you're shouting. Too much of shouting. You're shouting at the seeds. It will get frightened. Says bunny, these poor seeds are afraid to grow. Because you're shouting like this, the seeds are very frightened. They are scared. They are very timid. They're not growing because of your shouting. My seeds are afraid to grow? Now the bug is asking bunny, is my seeds are afraid to grow? They are frightened to grow? Bunny asks. Bunny asking, it's not bunny, bug is asking bunny, my seeds are afraid to grow? Of course. He said, yes, definitely, certainly. Says bunny, yes, because you're shouting, they are very afraid. That is why they are not growing. He said, stop shouting. Leave them alone means keep them away from you. Don't go near them. Leave them alone for few days. Let them be there for few days. You don't go near them. Let the sun shine on them. Let the rain fall on them. Bug looks out, fall on them. Soon your seeds will start to grow. Now bunny told, you just don't go near them. You just leave them. Let them be there. Let the sun shine on it and let the rain fall. Let the water falls on it and it starts sprouting out. It will start growing. So you please leave them alone. Don't go near the seeds. That night, Bug looks out of his window. And now he sat down in his room and started looking through the window. He's looking outside the window. Oh, says Bug, my seeds are not growing. They must be afraid of the dark. Bug goes out to his garden with some candles. Now, when the bug looked out, when it is night, it will be dark. So he was looking out and said, poor my seeds, they are very scared. They may be scared of the darkness. Yes, when the night comes, it's fully dark everywhere. So now bug is thinking, the seeds will be scared, they will be frightened. And what does the bug do? Takes a candle and it goes out. The seeds still do not start grow. What shall I do? Cries bug. These must be the most frightened seeds in the whole world. And the bug feels very tired and he falls asleep. So he goes with a candle, and what happened? He's thinking the seeds are very scared. These are the seeds, maybe the whole world. These are the seeds, maybe the most scary seeds. Means not scary, the seeds which are scared in the whole world. These maybe the seeds are the most seeds which is scared. So he's thinking like that and he falls asleep. He falls asleep means went off to sleep. Then what happened? Bug wakes up. Now the bunny is coming and telling the bug, get up. Wakes up means get up. Says bunny, look at your garden, and told, see, look. Now what happened in the previous night? Took the candle and went there, thinking that the bugs are scared, and kept the candle there. And after that, he was saying, these are the seeds, most scared seeds in the whole world. And he falls off to sleep. And then the bug was sleeping there. And in the morning, the bunny comes running to the bug, saying, wake up, get up. Says bunny, look at your garden, and told, look, what's happening in your garden? Little green plants are coming out of the ground. Now from the ground, slowly the plants started coming out. At last, shouts bug, and he was so happy. He shouts, oh, my seeds are not afraid to grow, and now we have a nice garden too, says bunny. So the plants came out, and from that leaves and small buds came out, and all the plants were having full of flowers. Now the bug was very happy. So he too had a beautiful garden. So you must have patience. That's what this lesson says. What is patience? You can't just expect everything to happen at once. So you have to wait for it to happen. So now some words I wrote on the board. You have to learn that. I'm writing few more words. Path. P-A-O. This pen is not writing. Let me take another pen. Path. P-A-T-H is path. P-A-T-H is path. How do you spell path? P-A-T-H, path. Afraid. A-F-R-A-I-D. Afraid. A-F-R-A-I-D. Afraid. Alone. Alone means nobody is with you. That is alone. A-L-O-N-E. Alone. A-L-O-N-E. Alone. What is the next one? We can write candles. You know what is candles? Made out of wax. Yes. Candles. C-A-N-D-L-E-S. Candles. C-A-N-D-L-E-S. Candles. Seed. How do you spell seed? S-E-E-D. Seed. Frightened. F-R-I-G-H-T-E-N-E-D. Frightened. So these words also you must learn. The meaning of afraid and frightened are the same. Frightened, scared. Then what is the other word? Afraid. All these got the same meaning. So now what you have to do is you read the lesson and those words which is written on the board, write 10 times in your book. Read the lesson 5 times. Okay? Don't forget, you must read the lesson 5 times and learn the spellings. Okay? So see you in the next class. Take care. Bye-bye.